Welcome to AGORACOM, the Small Cap Epicenter, and AGORACOM TV, a daily, fast-paced, edgy show bringing the best press release of the small cap space every morning at the open so you can hopefully profit from them. Maybe find your next great small cap investments. Wednesday, April the 18th, I've got 6 press releases for you. I'm going to start you off first with our sponsor for this month's AGORACOM TV in the front page of AGORACOM. Golden Hope Mines trades in the Venture Exchange under the stock symbol GNH. As always, we don't talk about sponsor or client news unless it stands on its own 2 feet, and I think you're going to agree that this one does. The company announced today that they intersected 152 meters of 1.51 grams per ton of gold. This at their Bellechasse-Timmins project in southeastern Quebec. That's a big number. The company is calling this further significant results from its 2011 and 2012 winter drill program. Highlights include the headline number that I gave you. Inside that hole, they also had 15 meters, 6.95 grams per ton of gold, and they also had 19 meters, 2.05 grams per ton of gold. The company closed yesterday 26 cents. Their 52-week trading range, 32.5 on the high, 10 cents on the low. As always, do your own due diligence, but nice news. Congratulations to Frank, Sasha, and the gang over there. Sonomax Technologies, another sponsor of AGORACOM, but again, you're going to agree on this news. TSX Venture Exchange, SHH. The company has announced that they signed a material OEM agreement with leading audio brand, Alltech Lansing. Try saying that 5 times fast, but we know that company very well. This is an OEM agreement. The company says they're calling this a material agreement with audio innovator Alltech Lansing. What they're going to do is they're going to feature Sonomax's patented SonoFit technology in Alltech Lansing products. That's a true OEM partnership right there, because Alltech Lansing is retaining the brand, their sales and marketing power behind it, but it's coming built with Sonomax inside, much like Intel inside. You remember that campaign in the 90s and over the first decade of the 2000s. Same thing here. Product deliveries as early as August. That's encouraging because it looks like it's going to happen right away. And more importantly, the company says in time for the holiday period. Important contractual minimums are also in there over the next 24 months for Sonomax. So I like that as well. When you see a small cap company able to make an OEM agreement and they're able to put minimums into a contract, it really means the contract is for real. The opening orders for 5,000 earphones, and the product will be promoted in May at an important European trade show. The products will be designed with the look and feel of Alltech Lansing's products that customers are accustomed to, with the SonoFit technology, make the custom fit headphones experience possible. In fact, here are my custom earphones right here from Sonomax. You can see that the earbuds, if you can take a look at that, the earbuds actually are each different because my ear canals are different on each ear, so I get a perfect fit. It's the best headset I've ever had in my life, and it's no wonder that Alltech Lansing has signed this deal with them. If you don't know about Sonomax Technologies, they just started as a sponsor. We've just started marketing them. Some of the biggest companies in the world use Sonomax. I'll get to that in a minute. But in the meantime, they call themselves a leader in the product development, research, and licensing of in-ear technology. Now, everyone's going to say that, right? You don't expect anything less. But consider the following. The company has more than 50 patents and trademarks worldwide, and they got some of the biggest customers in the world, including Rio Tinto, BHP, Coca-Cola, United Kingdom, Ministry of Defense. These are real customers, folks, real Fortune 500 household customers, and that's why the company says they're poised to become a standard for all in-ear applications. They closed yesterday at 4 cents, and now that we've started trading, in fact, they're already up 12.5% on about 355,000 shares. So congratulations to the whole team over at Sonomax. Very well done. Doesn't surprise me. A great Canadian company. Do your own due diligence because they are a sponsor. ThermoEnergy Corporation, TMEN. They've announced 94% revenue increase for 2011. The company's involved in the wastewater treatment and power generation technologies. Revenues came in at $5.6 million. Gotta love that. 94% increase to $5.6 million. Big jump. Gross profit up 439% to $404,000. They didn't give us a net income number. I've got to assume maybe there still was a bit of a loss there. But when you're going top line by 94%, gross profits by 439%, then you got to figure everything is moving in the right direction. That's why this is a company to watch. They also, part of their highlights, announced that they commissioned a $4 million freshwater system in Africa. Closed yesterday 17.5 cents. 52-week range is 30 on the high, 11 on the low. They come in right now at about $10 million market cap. Not bad for a company with $5.6 million in revs and growing at almost 100% clip. PC Gold, TSX PKL, announced that they intercepted 3.24 grams a ton over 10.15 meters, including 15.76 grams over 1 meter. Go take a look at those. I'm going to tell you a little bit about the company. They're focusing on their 100% owned, former producing Pickle Crow gold mine located in northwestern Ontario. In 2011, they put out an NI 43-101 compliant inferred mineral resource estimate, 1.26 million ounces of gold. That is inferred, but great number. Closed yesterday, 25.5 cents. $1 on the high, 20 cents on the low, so they're almost at their low for the year. And today they're already up about 6%. Low volume, though, because we just started trading 11,500 shares. But you got to figure that could be potential great value at these rates. Also want to give you a couple headlines. Balmoral Resources, BAR in the venture, 1.41 grams per ton over 240 meters at the North Shore in Ontario. And finally, Mazorro Resources, TSX Venture, MZO, intersected 7.7 grams over 12 meters at shallow depths, actually. This is at the La Pasca gold property in Quebec. That's a wrap. As always, quality over quantity. 6 pretty great press releases for you, including 2 from our sponsors. We're very happy about that, and go do your due diligence there. If you look for more great small cap resource companies and you watch this on Global Investor, look below me or to the left of me to see the companies we've covered over the past few days. Otherwise, if you're not already there, maybe you're watching it on another channel, YouTube or somewhere, get to the front page of AGORACOM, watch the show, take a look at the best headlines to my right, and get into our marketplace to discover your next great small cap stock. That's a wrap. Have an amazing day.